happy to show you this $1 million view penthouse in Encuentro, just 7 minutes from Sosúa and 5 minutes from the center of Cabarete. This amazing spot offers you 513 square meters construction and a rooftop terrace included with 270 square meters, where you can build another apartment. The place offers you 3 bedrooms in the penthouse and 1 extra bedroom on the rooftop. You have the pre-installation for a rooftop jacuzzi in case you want it. You have a toilet here and an outdoor shower. The apartment comes fully furnished, is brand new, and a masterpiece. Let's go to check it out. The apartment comes fully furnished, as mentioned it before. You have ocean view from the kitchen, living room, and 2 of the bedrooms. The kitchen offers you modern appliances such as a microwave, dishwasher, oven, and everything brand new, as you can see. Downstairs features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms has its own private terrace. And let me show you the master. With ocean views in the mornings or all day long, to having ocean view during a shower. Very well decorated, and with its perfect location, this penthouse offers you a great investment opportunity. Whether you're looking for a vacation home or rent it out, it's just perfect for it. The project has its own well, water cistern, and a project generator, so you will have always water, electricity, and this amazing view. If you want to have more information about this masterpiece, please contact me below, and the best offer wins always.